Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me, but we're going to be getting a little bit out of our comfort zone and doing the cat box. And always make sure to wear gloves. This is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner and it is non-toxic. Cedar Spin Mop. For the soap, I just use one spray of the Method Cleaner and it is in the scent Clementine. Like the Fresh Step Lightweight Extreme cat litter with the Febreze scent the best. I find that it keeps the cat box odor out the most. Decided to put in a couple curtains to make it look more natural and less like a cat box area. And then I just sprayed the curtains with some Febreze. Thank you for watching.